like our hats? Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be doing the BeanBoozled challenge. Everyone, this is...
I'm Nick. You've seen me before.
This is not the BeanBoozled package with like the spinner. This one, you just pull it up, press it down, and a random bean will come out. So we're not going to be eating the same colors at the same time. But, or we might be. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, anyways, the kicker, so he knows that we're doing the BeanBoozled challenge today, but what he doesn't know is that the winner is the person who does not drink water. So whoever drinks water first loses. Wait, stop it. I won. He's disqualified. Okay, anyways.
Can I go now?
Pop it. Go where? How does this work?
You broke it.
No.
You weren't supposed to undo the bottom thing. Oh, now you broke it.
Okay, look. So now we go up.
What?
Oh, it takes two beans at the same time.
I call
hey,
orange.
Billy,
I call orange.
No.
I don't want the other one.
No. Stop it.
Wait, you're looking at them for it. No,
Okay, wait. We have to say it.
Cheating.
Okay, but there's two oranges. So which ones are these?
Well, you find out when you bite into them. It could be
it
these
might be
ones.
these.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's 6 options. The orange that he's gonna eat. Wait, did you want yellow?
She'll put them up on the screen for you guys.
I am?
Yeah, you are.
Okay. They can either be barf, peach, dead fish, strawberry, moldy cheese, or caramel corn.
I call
the
orange.
yellow one that I'm gonna eat is either rotten egg or buttered popcorn.
Oh, you know we should have a dice, and whoever gets the higher number gets to pick which one they want.
Yes, get a dice.
Okay, put that back. Don't be touching it.
I was smelling it. I wanted to see if it smelled like anything.
There should be dice in the Yahtzee game. We'll take the dice one. Right, that's a good idea, eh?
Yeah.
So you're going to be taking the dice here. Each person gets one roll, and the higher number gets to choose which one they want to choose that pops up. Sounds good?
Okay. So roll.
You roll one, and I'll roll one.
I rolled a 2, and he rolled a 6.
Alright, I'm going to be taking the orange one.
So once again, the orange can either be dead fish, strawberry banana smoothie, barf, peach, moldy cheese, or caramel corn.
It smells like moldy cheese.
Because like they all look like the same color. They should have differentiated.
It smells like moldy cheese.
That might just be your fingers. Wait.
It smells like moldy cheese.
Okay, eat it.
I would take the other one.
Nope.
Smell that one. Smell
mine's either. Doesn't smell like anything. Mine's either rotten egg or buttered popcorn.
Mine's moldy cheese.
Okay, 3, 2,
Think it.
1.
That was moldy cheese.
I think mine's buttered popcorn.
Oh, it's so bad.
Oh, I smell you. I don't like buttered popcorn, but this
is actually so bad.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got spit out.
No. Yeah. Oh yeah, we should have got garbage bins.
It's actually so.
Wait, bring the garbage bin here. Ew, you smell. I still smell it.
There's no bag in it.
Why did I make this no drinking water rule? I don't like this. Oh, by the way, I don't like jelly beans. Like, even the good type of jelly beans, I don't like any jelly beans. So this, it sounds like he's throwing up. He's done. Did you hear him gagging? He's gagging. Wait, where are you going? He just walked upstairs. He's gone. Bentley's going. Bentley, they left me. Okay, next colors. Oh no, another orange one. I call yellow.
You have to roll the dice.
Wait. So it's orange again. So it's the same two.
No,
barf.
see, this one looks like a peach one.
Oh, so it's either barf or peach. Okay, we'll see. Roll your die.
And that one could be...
He lost. He keeps drinking water.
That's so bad, that moldy cheese. That's...
Okay, I guess that rule's not in it. Oh, okay.
She got a 6, I got a 5.
But what if that's peach? Can I smell them?
No. You can't. Once you pick it, that's when
okay, fine, then I want yellow. Again, I'm gonna play it safe.
That's fine. It's either coconut or the other one. I don't want that.
No, it's not coconut. It's either
coconut,
barf, peach, dead fish, strawberry banana smoothie, moldy cheese, or caramel corn.
Wait, yours? Yours is yellow.
Oh, mine's either rotten egg or buttered popcorn. They're both gross.
No, it could be the white one. That's not really yellow.
Oh, this doesn't smell good.
It's spoiled milk or coconut?
This is yellow.
Oh, it could be rotten egg, yeah. You know what that smells like?
Okay, I watched other of these videos and all of them said it didn't have a smell. Why do ours smell bad?
This smells nasty.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
No, no. I was gonna throw up.
What was it?
I don't know.
This one's good. I don't know what it is though.
No.
Peach? I think it's peach, but it was yellow. Oh, it was caramel corn. This one's good. What's wrong with you? What was it?
I don't know. I'm gonna throw up though. My eyes are watering. That's back to back disgusting. That's actually disgusting. Smell that one.
Oh, it's rotten fish.
Is that what that is?
Oh, another orange one. Okay. All right. Oh wait. I hope I get that.
This video may be a short one.
There's orange, and then there's like the speckly one. So the speckly one is either stinky socks, or Tutti Frutti. I want that one. I hope I roll higher. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes.
No! The other one is orange. So it can either be once again barf, peach, dead fish, strawberry, banana smoothie, moldy seaweed.
So bad.
I want that one.
That one doesn't smell.
So the ones that taste good don't have a smell to them. Oh my god, this one has speckles in it. Oh no, I think it's barf. Or dead fish.
3, 2,
Wait,
1.
cheers.
Oh,
It's dead fish.
Tutti Frutti. It's so bad. I could barely even hold
It's
it in my
dead
mouth.
fish. It's dead fish.
I had to spit mine.
I don't spit.
I may be vomiting this video.
Kind of tastes like a Christmas tree though.
It's a Christmas tree.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. And a Happy New Year! Oh! Wait, I lost
that's
beans.
4.
Hold on. Let me put them back. Oh, again, same 2 colors. I call brown this
Oh
time.
god. I don't like this game.
Roll. 4, 3.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna eat the canned dog food this time.
It's bright chocolate.
I think it's chocolate. Oh, that one's so good. It's chocolate pudding. We got blue
Oh, I want the blue one.
and orange. Why does the orange keep coming
I
up?
want blue. I want blue.
I want blue more than you. Blue is toothpaste or berry blue. So either way, it's good.
I need both.
Orange is like dead fish, strawberry, bananas, barf, peach.
Can we
moldy
do this
cheese.
one best out of 3?
No. Roll. Oh, I'm gonna lose. Watch.
She got a 1. She
Okay,
rolled a
best out
1.
of
She
3.
rolled a 1. She rolled a 1. Let's go.
Piss off.
Beggars can't be choosers, but I begged and I got it. Toothpaste. Minty fresh.
That smells good. This? I don't know what it is. Peach? Caramel corn?
Oh, it's really like. No thanks.
Billy.
I don't like barf.
We have to do all of them. So
I need more water.
He finished his water. He totally lost this. I'm the winner.
What do you want?
I whip my hair back
Drink
and
both
forth. I
of
whip
these.
my hair back and forth.
I hate jelly beans. Green and the speckly one. So it's either green lawn clippings or lime. And then the other one, stinky socks or Tutti Frutti.
I wouldn't mind stinky socks. I got stinky socks anyways.
Wash your feet. 5. Haha, I won. No. Give it to me. Give it to me, baby.
I don't want this.
Tutti Frutti was actually really good though. Oh my god, it's a lime. Oh, okay, good. We got 2 of the same colors, so it's
Okay,
either
we'll just
Tutti
pick
Frutti
one.
or stinky socks. Oh yeah, true. I think I got stinky socks. Yeah. got lime. I hope it's lime. The long clippings wasn't as good as I thought it would be. No, it's your fingers. There you go. Long clippings. Yeah, put it in your mouth. Thanks.
Count how many times in the video that I've thrown the jelly bean behind me.
0. That I thought. Okay, I'm done with this. Good day. I hope you enjoyed this video because I didn't.
Next game is going to be called Drinko. We're going to be playing on New Year's, so stay tuned for that.
Next video with him. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram at Alessia Calcanio.